Welcome, students. We are discussing the chapter Bholi. In the previous section, we have discussed about Bholi, what happened to Bholi, why was she slow learner, and why had she disfigured. What was the reason we have discussed. In all, we can say we have discussed the physical appearance of Bholi, her nature. We have also discussed the family members of Ramlal. We have also seen what is the anxiety of Ramlal. All sons and daughters of Ramlal was healthy, but Bholi was not healthy. She was not intelligent. She was a slow learner. Her figure was not impressive. She had deep, small spots on her whole body. So this we have seen. Now we go further. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla was married. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in their village. The Tehsildar, you understand, district collector, came to perform its opening ceremony. He said to Ramlal, as a revenue official, you are the representative of the government in the village, and so you must set an example to the villagers. You must send your daughters to school. So in this paragraph you see, after the marriage of Mangla, a primary school was set up for girls in the village, and district collector or Tehsildar opened the school. He told Ramlal that you must set example by sending your daughters to school. He said, you are the representative of the government, so you must send your daughters in this school and you set an example. So इस पैराग्राफ में हमने देखा कि जब मंगला की शादी हुई उस समय भोली जो है 7 years old की थी, और उसी साल जो है गांव में प्राइमरी स्कूल ओपन हुआ। तहसीलदार साहब आए और जो है स्कूल की ओपनिंग की, और रामलाल से कहा कि तुम जो है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो गवर्नमेंट के इस गांव में, तो तुम जो है एग्जाम्पल एक सेट करो, तो अपने डॉटर्स को इस स्कूल में भेजो। सो इट हैपेंड हियर. So in this paragraph you have noticed that a primary school was set up in the village, and Tehsildar told Ramlal to send her daughters to school. In this way he can set an example before the villagers. After that we move to next paragraph, that is paragraph number 5. Here you see, that night when Ramlal consulted his wife, consulted means discussed his wife, she cried, are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them? That was the question put up by Ramlal's wife before him, that if you send your daughters to school, then who will marry your daughter? But Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar. because Tehsildar had told him to send his daughters to school, so he didn't have courage to disobey Tehsildar. At last his wife said, "I will tell you what to do. Send Bholi to school. As it is, there is little chance of her getting married. With her ugly face and lack of sense, let the teachers at school worry about her." So this was the another suggestion given by Ramlal's wife to him, that you should send Bholi to school because she had a ugly face, she had lack of sense. So send Bholi to school and let the teachers worry about Bholi. Why do you worry? Or why do we worry about Bholi? Let the teachers worry about her. So here you see the opinion of Bholi's mother regarding her. Bholi's mother also accepted that Bholi had a ugly face. She had lack of sense. So why do we worry? We should send Bholi to school. So in this way, we see Ramlal was ready to send Bholi to school. Okay. So in this paragraph, we have noticed that Ramlal consulted with his wife. What should he do? Because Tehsildar had told him to send his daughters to school, and he didn't have courage to do or disobey Tehsildar. So wife suggested him to send Bholi to school. तो इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि रामलाल अपनी पत्नी से कंसल्ट करता है कि वो क्या करे, क्योंकि उसके अंदर एक करेज नहीं है कि तहसीलदार को मना कर दे या उसकी अवज्ञा कर दे, डिसोबे कर दे। और रामलाल की वाइफ उससे कहती है कि तुम पागल हो गए हो, क्रेजी हो, डॉटर्स को स्कूल भेजोगे तो उससे शादी कौन करेगा। इसके बाद जो है रामलाल कहता है कि उसके पास इतनी करेज नहीं है, साहस नहीं है कि वो तहसीलदार की बातों को मना कर दे। तो इस पर वाइफ कहती है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुम भोली को स्कूल भेज दो। उसके बाद अगली फेस है, उसके पास सेंस नहीं है, टीचर्स को समझने दो, लेट द टीचर्स एट स्कूल वरी अबाउट हर। सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ यू हैव नोटिस दैट Bholi was going to be sent to school by Ramlal, and this suggestion was given by Ramlal's wife. Now we move to next paragraph. You see, the next day Ramlal caught Bholi by the hand and said, "Come with me, I will take you to school." So here you see, Ramlal followed the instructions given by his wife. He was ready to send his daughter Bholi to school. Bholi was frightened. She was afraid. She did not know what a school was like. She had not heard about school, and her father was compelling her to go to school. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. So she remembered the incident. That old cow Lakshmi, who is Lakshmi here? Lakshmi is the name of the cow, had been turned out of the house and sold. She shouted, "No, no, no," in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. She imagined that her father was going to sell her. That was the memory of Bholi, and she was afraid. She shouted, "No, no," and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. So here you see that father tried to um, force Bholi to come with him, and he is going to send Bholi to school. And Bholi was unaware of this term school. What is school? She was afraid. She remembered the incident when the cow Lakshmi was turned out of this house. So she started shouting, "No, no, no, I will not go." And she pulled her hand away from her father's grip. तो इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि रामलाल जो है भोली को जबरदस्ती जो है उसको स्कूल भेजता है। अब भोली डरी हुई है कि उसको नहीं मालूम कि स्कूल क्या होता है। उसको एक घटना याद आती है कुछ दिन पहले की, जिसमें कि लक्ष्मी जो कि एक काऊ है उसको जो है घर से निकाल दिया गया और सेल कर दिया गया, और ये रिमेंबर करके वो चिल्लाने लगती है, "नो नो, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी", और फादर के हाथ से अपना हाथ छुड़ा लेती है। सो हियर यू सी इन पैरा नंबर 6 Ramlal had tried to send Bholi to school, and we have seen the reaction of Bholi when he was forced to go to school. Now we move to next paragraph, paragraph 7. See, Ramlal shouted. Ramlal also became angry. He shouted, "What is the matter with you, fool?" You see the address here, fool. Fool refers to Bholi, because she lacked sense. Ramlal shouted, "What is matter with you, you fool?" The fool refers to Bholi. "I am only taking you to school." Then he told his wife, "Let her wear some decent clothes today." First time it is going to happen in the life of Bholi that father told his wife that give her some decent clothes today, or else what will the teachers and the other school girls think of us when they see her? So that is the anxiety of father, that we should take care of Bholi. We should give a proper dress uniform to Bholi. Otherwise, if Bholi will go to school, then what other schoolgirls and teachers will think about us? So, new clothes had never been made for Bholi. Before this, new clothes had never been made for Bholi. The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. That was the condition of Bholi in the family. She was not treated well. She was ignored everywhere. She was not given proper dress, proper care. But the moment when she was going to school, at that time father said, "Give her a decent cloth. Otherwise, what the teachers and schoolgirls will think of him." So finally, clothes were made. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. That was the condition of Bholi in the family. Old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. But today she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had shrunk. Shrunk here means reduced after many washings, and no longer fitted champa. She was even bathed. Oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. Matted hair means untidy hair. Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to a place better than her home. So here in this paragraph we have seen the condition of Bholi at home, how she was treated, what kind of care was taken of Bholi. This we have seen in this paragraph. She was neglected, she was ignored in the family, new clothes were not given to her, old dresses of her sisters were given to her hair was not oiled, her clothes were not washed, proper bathing was not given to her. But the moment when she was going to school, what happened? The whole scene changed. New clothes were given, her clothes were washed, she had taken the bath, her hair was oiled. Now after that she was going to school. After this she thought that she was going to a better place than her home. That was the belief of Bholi. Bholi thought that school is better than home. The reason is very clear why it is so. Because on the name of going to school, she was treated well, new clothes were given, her hair was oiled, she had taken bath. So Bholi thought that school is better than home. Okay. So here in this paragraph we have noticed the shouting of Ramlal. Second, we have noticed the condition of Bholi at home. How was she treated at home? And father said, give her new dresses, new uniform, and take proper care of Bholi. Otherwise, if she goes to school, what the teachers and other girls will think about us? So at this condition, a proper uniform was given to her, proper care was taken of her. Due to this, Bholi thought that she was going to a better place than her home. तो इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि रामलाल गुस्सा होता है, चिल्लाता है, वो कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें केवल स्कूल लेके जा रहा हूँ, और वाइफ से कहता है कि इसको डिसेंट क्लॉथ दो, अदरवाइज़ टीचर्स जो हैं और अदर्स जो स्कूल गर्ल्स हैं वो क्या सोचेंगे उसके बारे में। इसलिए उसको नए क्लॉथ दिए जाते हैं, बनाए जाते हैं उसके लिए, और नहीं तो पहले पुराने क्लॉथ्स ही, ड्रेसेस ही जो उसकी बड़ी बहन को उसको दे दिए जाते थे। कोई उसकी केयर नहीं करता था, लेकिन आज वो लकी है क्योंकि उसको एक क्लीन ड्रेस मिला, न्यू ड्रेस नहीं, क्लीन ड्रेस मिला, और साथ में वो उसको नहलाया गया। उसके बाद जो उसके हेयर की ऑयलिंग की गई, जिसका हेयर जो अनटाइडी था उसको केयर किया गया। इसके बाद वो सोचने लगी कि एक अच्छे जगह वो जा रही है, भोली होम से अच्छे जगह पहुंच रही है। सो हियर इन दिस होल सेक्शन वी हैव सीन दैट स्कूल वाज गोइंग टू ओपन इन village. Instruction was given to Ramlal by Tehsildar. Ramlal followed the instruction of Tehsildar by sending Bholi to school, and when Bholi was about to go to school, at that time the proper care was taken of Bholi. Clean dress was given to her. The dress which was not fitted Champa, it was cleaned. Okay. And one thing remember, Bholi had one idea in her mind, that she was going to a better place than her home. Okay. Thank you.